So I'm going to shoot at 5.6, f-stop of 5.6, and the shutter speed is going to be around 200. It looks like today for a shot like this. So I don't really know how I'm going to hold on to it and take the shots at the same time with the camera. But watch anyways. So I've got it set at an f-stop of 5.6 and a shutter speed of 1/80th of a second for here, this shot. The Pagoda Bridge in Jackson's Park. We got some nice fog today, so nice satisfying click. Okay, I'm going to keep on shooting in the park. Got some nice fog going on. It's a nice day. It's actually really warm out. They're so good. I'm gonna try to. Oh, did it go? I think it went. I'll check the video out just to see if I got this shot. Check back in 2 seconds. The only bit of a hassle I'm finding with it is the winder bit is in your way of your finger. That's why I'm kind of holding it kind of weird. So I'm going to take a shot at this bench on a lower angle. That was better. I heard that one. A lot easier. Nice lower angle of a bench. I'm digging this fog today. It adds to the mystique of the older camera with the film. I am going to keep on shooting. There's like nobody in the park. This is weird. It's kind of eerie. I like it. I'm going to keep shooting. Hope you keep on watching. I don't know if the camera can make it out, but there's a lot of crazy kind of greens and blues and yellows and rusty colors in the water here. Right beside, right around that big hunk of granite that's been there since I was a little kid. All chopped up weird like. Grab out the regula. Grab the regula and take another shot. Cock the shutter. So that's kind of cool. Maybe get a little closer. A little lower angle too. Right on. Really nice day. I'm gonna keep on walking. Should have brought my tripod out because I got too much to carry now. Okay. So far, so fun. A lot of water in the park going through. It's like a January thaw. There is a slight delay, if you notice that, if you can hear it. That I held the shutter button down and a couple of seconds later took the shot. I don't know if it's got to do with the lower light of the shot or it's just because it's an older camera. Cause it's an older camera. But it's really cool in the park. I'll give you a little view of what's going on. Fog really adds to an element to photograph. Adds mystique. Just adds to it. Let me take another shot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Am I even in the shot? Off the shutter. It's about 80th of a second. Just prior to that. Oh, there's a squirrel. Tiny bit of a delay, but not much. Keep on shooting. Really nice spot here beside the water. I'll give you a look around where I am first, and then I'll take a shot with the regula. A lot of cool roots. All the trees and everything today are really wet from the fog and the rain, and just a bit of a winter thaw. Take a little walk over here and take a shot of some of these roots. See if it'll fit the viewfinder first. See if it'll fit the viewfinder. I slowed down the shutter speed to a roughly 50th of 60th of a second at f5.6. And I got the shot. This is kind of cool right here too. Oh yeah, it's kind of spooky looking. Let's see if I can wind this myself. And cock the shutter. Oh, I'll be able to do it. Got it. It's got my other camera. It's got my other camera in the shot too on the tripod. Little delay again, probably because it's pretty dark under the trees here. Keep on watching. The regula, the German camera. Getting deeper into the woods now. There's a little tiny bit of a fence there, here. At the end, I'm going to take a shot of that. This is a 50, so it's be a little closer than the shot I'm shooting with the video right now. So a little closer. Hope there's no delay. Crap. Maybe I didn't cock it. We're trying to cock it here. Yeah, I didn't cock it. Tiny delay again. It's alright. I'm getting used to the camera. First roll anyway, so keep on shooting, keep on walking. You gotta check this out, this crazy root. It's like petrified or something. Isn't that decent? Just sitting there, looking totally cool. Some serious root. Pull up the regula again. It's all cocked and ready to go this time. That should work. Might be overexposed on the outside of the snow area and the ice and all that, but the root itself is going to be pretty good, well exposed, I think. Well, I'm going to keep on trucking. I'm going to keep on walking up the street, path here, street. It's farthest from the street. So this is going to be a super slow shutter. So this is going to be a super slow shutter speed. It's going to be about 1/8 of a second for this shot here. trees. People made a little walk thing on it, I guess you could call it, on the cedars. I'm gonna see if I can get it. Did you hear it go? Yeah, it's kind of strange delay. You gotta press it twice. I don't know if it's just because it's old or it's just the way it is. I don't know. Do some research. Maybe somebody out there can tell me a little more about that. Is it just a delay or whatever? I don't know. I'm gonna keep on shooting. Like somebody's gonna build a place and live in the woods. We got the structure up and a roof. Check this one out. It's pretty serious work there. So it's another 1/8 of a second in this dark part of the park. A little bit of light coming through from the trees is really nice. I like it. I like the way it looks. It's cocked again. So this time I'm going to see if I can prop up against the tree, just a little more stability. And take a shot. This time I just held it down and kept it down, and it took the shot. So I'm going to try that again. We keep using it that way. Just hold it down and wait till it takes the shot. Maybe that's what I have to do. Okay, I'm going to keep on trucking. This may be my last shot, just because it's getting darker and I can feel it starting to rain. So, what am I at? Looks like I've taken 20 shots. So there's like 36 in total in this roll. So maybe this is going to be a two-parter. Yeah, I'm gonna do a two-parter. So I'm gonna take another day, take another whole roll, rest of the roll, upload it, do it like a tutorial in Lightroom with the shots, give you guys a slideshow. So that'd be part 2 of the regula King camera from the 50s. Watch the second one, or this will be the second one. So watch the third one. Bye for now.